Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing another Hydro Dip video. Last time we did trucks, and before that we did skateboards. Today, like the title says, we're doing grip tape. That's right, grip tape. And as you can tell, I'm at the mall because I'm still working during this coronavirus pandemic, and it's a little crazy, but we're having a lot of fun. And right now we're prepping the grip tape that, yes, I have previously already purchased a long time ago. It actually came with the blank skateboards, but we're prepping those right now, and then we're going to do the Hydro Dip video out back here somewhere. That way we don't get any paint on the inside of the store, because we're pretty much done today. Already clocked out and ready to go. I just need to do the Hydro Dip video, so we're gonna do it in about 5 or 10 minutes. Just gotta prep everything. I'll show you what we've got going on right now. So we kind of wanted to do a couple of like designs in the grip and still keep some of it black. So that's what John is working on right now. And then some of the grip was rolled up, so I'm actually pressing it with a toolbox and paint to keep it flat. And it's just regular black generic grip, no name brand. So we'll see how it goes. Weird flex, but okay. We are in fact using a TV just to make a table out of it, but it's okay. We found the TV out of that trash can, so it's still okay. It's already broken. Well, we've got these set up now. Those are the last boards that we did, and here's the water in the table that's made out of a TV. We've got all the spray paint. We've got some of the grip masked up. This is Grizzly Clear, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, and I don't know how the tape job's actually going to work because it is kind of falling off a little bit. But we wanted to go for a little bit of a design. I also have some stencils that we're gonna use after it's done instead of before, like I did on these. This was all done beforehand, and we'll see if it works out. I guess let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it's really bright. I'm looking up at the camera, and this camera's about to die, so I've got to be really, really quick about it and do them very, very fast. So I'm gonna stop talking and just jump right into it. So far they're turning out awesome. I will show you them when we finish them. Like so cool every time. Hi.
Nice.
Oh God. Oh God.
Nice.
Oh God. I dropped it. We've got one more sheet of grip left. All the boards fell, as you, I'm sure, have seen that happen. And right now we're working on doing yellow, blue, and some other color. I don't know what he said.
White.
White.
Figure out that one.
But so far, they look really, really cool, and we have a couple of them that match not only the trucks, but the skateboards that we did 2 videos ago too. Real quick before my battery dies, this is what all of them look like. Again, they look so incredibly cool. And we have those two that match a board, that one that matches a board. Actually, all three of those match something. That matches the trucks, and those two match a board. That's just so cool. We're gonna line them up real quick, and then I will show you what they look like with the boards too. Here is the finished look at everything. This one came out really cool, especially with the Grizzly logo. I still have to put my stencils on a few of them, but I'm gonna wait for them to dry a little bit more before I do that. And will this work? I am not sure. I don't know what the water's gonna do to the grip yet. I don't know if it's gonna ruin the sticky part or if it's gonna ruin the backer paper. I really don't know, but we're gonna try it and we're gonna see, and I will let you know whenever it's finished drying. So my camera did end up dying yesterday, so I was not able to finish any of the last bit, but we did leave them here overnight in the store to dry up. So they look really, really good. I'll go ahead and show you what they look like, the finished product of it anyway. This is pretty much what they look like now. We did have my logo on there. This one did not turn out that well, but all the other ones turned out pretty good. And you might be asking, will it work as a grip tape? And you know what? We're about to find out, because I'm gonna put this one on this skateboard. Hopefully it turns out like it should. I do not know, but if it does work, this is definitely something you should do at home. Highly recommend it. It's really, really fun to do, but give me a couple more minutes and then I will gladly put the grip tape on this one just to see if it works. So it gripped just fine. I thought it was gonna be much worse than that, but it actually did a pretty good job. And the grip's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be very cheap garbage grip, but it's still really grippy, even with all of the paint on it. So yeah, this is definitely something you should try at home and do it with whatever else you have. If you do this at home, tag me on Instagram. I would like to share any of your videos, either in the channel or on my page. It'd be really cool, especially since other YouTubers like Braille are doing the same thing with skateboards and trucks. So if they do grip tape, it'd be really cool to also share that around with Braille too. I think that'd be really, really cool. But that is it for today's video. I'll give you one last look at everything and then we'll go ahead and end it whenever I get back home. Just finished editing that last little bit and I think the video came out really, really cool. The grip tape was awesome. It looks much better than I thought it was gonna look, and it actually works as grip tape, so that's even cooler. Definitely try this one at home as well, and like I said earlier, I do wanna go ahead and see some of those clips on Instagram. If you do anything, if you design your own grip, if you design your own skateboards, whatever you do, if it's hydro dipping, if it's artwork, I wanna see what you're doing at home. So tag me on Instagram. You can do at KeeganCo like I listed earlier. There's going to be a link in the description as well. But I just want to see what y'all are doing, especially during this Corona crazy times. I don't know. I want to get closer to my audience because y'all come back and support me and I want to support y'all. So, but that is going to be it for tonight's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, comment down below on what you want to see next. And then if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's over here in the corner, I think, right there. And I will try to do more hydro dipping videos in the future. I think next up we're doing penny boards, or a penny board. I don't know what I have. I have to go through my storage and see what I have left, but we're probably gonna do a penny board next. So if you're waiting for that, then subscribe because it'll happen here pretty soon. All right, that's it. Later, guys.